Benjamin, what's going on?
Not much. I'm hiding my fat.
450. 250.
You got a ramp? Yeah.
Yep.
I could just rip this off. Stage right. I was saying, the only thing I think you need to know as a road rider coming from dirt is about standing up.
You got to stand up a lot.
You got more control standing up.
I'm used to sitting down because
down hills,
yeah.
generally always try and stand up and use your engine braking.
Yeah.
And up hills, if it's getting tough, that's when you sit down.
Is it in gear? Might be in gear.
Oh, I think so, man. Oh, have you got a neutral light?
Yeah.
Why would it be in gear though? You just had it on. No. Your battery's fucked.
Nah, can't be. No.
Doesn't matter though, it'll start. Oh, fuck that, you can do this.
No, start it. It should start on liquid start.
It's not. Oh, that's weird. No, it kicked over then.
Yeah, just give it a minute, and then give it a minute. Give it a minute.
There's a comparison. Check this out. And
What?
oh no!
As a comparison, compare this.
Why did it stop? Oh, man.
Oh, that's hilarious.
It was really good. Look at this. Feels not up.
Pretty high. You can try it if you want.
I'll come back.
Alright. Look at him go. Amazing. Should we try it? No.
Oh shit.
I'll put it on the stand.
You bring that back end around if you can.
Yeah. Put it on the stand.
Do you reckon you'd want to have a go at that?
Fuck no.
No. So we are doing
You can have a go at this if you want.
No. I was just wondering if we're doing the right thing, like you could have done it all along, but...
Maybe. I don't know. It's in gear, I think.
Hey? Yep.
Leave it in gear, yeah? That's a safe way to do it.
Yeah. You're right, come get it?
Yeah.
Oh, fucking hell. That's some sweaty work.
You're going to lose the weight.
You got the brake? I don't know if it's going to go, that's all. Oh,
My GoPro running?
that was fun.
The one on I had to give it a good. It just went bolt just under me. So.
That's good though. Is that your first stack?
Yeah.
Hey.
That's me logging it. I didn't make it, just give it.
Hey?
Give it a bit. You'll make it. Okay. Looks really steep, guys.